Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie without milk. Start by picking your liquid base. Water is a simple, neutral choice, while fruit juices like orange or apple can add natural sweetness and a burst of flavor. Coconut water is another excellent option, providing electrolytes and a subtle tropical taste. Choose an unsweetened variety if you want to control the sugar in your smoothie. Next, load up on your favorite fruits and vegetables. Frozen fruits, such as berries or bananas, are fantastic for making your smoothie thick and cold without needing ice. Don't forget to toss in some leafy greens like spinach or kale. They blend in seamlessly and boost the nutritional value without altering the taste much. Now, let's talk about boosters and flavor enhancers. A spoonful of chia seeds or flax seeds can add healthy omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. For an extra protein kick, consider adding a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. A dash of cinnamon, ginger, or vanilla extract can also elevate the taste profile significantly. Finally, it's time to blend. Combine all your ingredients in a high-speed blender and process until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If your smoothie is too thick, simply add a little more of your chosen liquid until it reaches your desired consistency. Pour it into a glass and enjoy your delicious, milk-free creation right away.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.